Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with guidelines that will help you to remove the ransomware called Knight. My video is only for the educational purposes, though I am not related to this ransomware. In the video, I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. But regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the computer system, this Knight ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the device. Very soon, users then realize that they can no longer access their data because of this Knight ransomware. And so, these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. You try to open this specific file, and the message comes up indicating that Windows cannot open this type of file with this Knight L extension. The ransomware also reveals the ransom note called How to Restore Your Files. In brief, the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom is surely not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software, and then start researching the system. Click on the Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. And then the scanning will begin. I want to emphasize your attention on the fact that Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. It has got anti-ransomware feature, but this feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data. It does not decrypt files, though. And there is no any other antivirus which would decrypt these files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the infections. You'll be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium. By upgrading to Premium, as I said, you'll be able to fully remove this horrible ransomware and also to protect the data from all further possible ransomware attacks. So wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and with its Premium version you'll be able to always get your files protected in the future. Also, considering file decryption, you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.